What is going on, everyone? Jojo here and welcome back to PlayStation Nation, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. How you all doing? So today we have the unboxing of the Assassin's Creed Ezio Collection Collector's Edition. You know, it's a Ubisoft exclusive only. So I've been waiting so long for this. Okay, so we have the acclaimed trilogy. Okay, Ezio Collection. We have the Assassin's Creed Ezio Collection soundtrack. Oh, we have this nifty looking like letter. Oh, there we go. Oh, these are the lithographs. So we have a Revelations one. We have a Brotherhood one. And we have an Assassin's Creed 2 one. We also have that's everything in there. The Ezio Collector's Bust. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. There we go. UB Collectibles. There's my main man Ezio. So yeah, that's everything, everyone. That's my Ezio Collector's Edition collection. So yeah, there's a lot of collections there. So anyway, I hope everyone's had a great day. Be sure to check out my other content. Have a great day, everyone. Keep on gaming. Peace.